Kodiak Construction is a full-service concrete company servicing the Bay Area and beyond. We specialize in patios, walkways, driveways, foundations, and retaining walls. With other contractors, you have to guess how your project's going to turn out. But with us, we have software to let you know what your project's going to look like before we even get started. What sets Kodiak apart from other concrete companies is heritage. I've been doing concrete since I was 3 years old, and my dad's been doing it his whole life.
I definitely would recommend Kodiak Construction to others. We felt extremely happy with the job they did for our yard. It made our house a home.
It's in our blood. My dad started this company over 20 years ago. Within that time, we've never had a callback or an unhappy customer. If you're interested in a free estimate, give us a call at 925-685-1244.